Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I am so excited to open the March subscription box from Archer & Olive. This is my first subscription box from them, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So if you'd like to see my unboxing, keep watching. Okay, my box arrived a little beat up, but it is snowing outside, so there's that. I can't wait to see what's inside. I'm so excited about this. You're probably seeing this after it already went on sale and after it's sold out, but the problem is I'm not allowed to unbox this for you until like a certain date. So any information is all going to be in the description box below about the subscription boxes, about this particular one. Anything you have questions on is probably going to be in the description box, so please be sure to read that. I'm also going to put my Archer & Olive link. I am part of the Brand Delight Ambassador team, and so they did send me this box for free. So thank you, Archer & Olive. Okay, let's see what's inside. I am so stoked. Okay, I don't know if I can do this under the camera. Oh, wait, let's move it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ooh, it's like a little bag. Look, it's a bag. And here's everything that's inside. I don't even want to look at it yet. It's called the Journey Box. I don't want to look at it yet because I want to be surprised. Okay. So I need to move this aside, but first let me show you this bag. I am in love with this bag already. It is so pretty. Oh, and it feels nice, high quality. Look, it's got a zipper pocket inside, and it's a really cool size too. It's like kind of long. It's canvas. I love this so much. So much. I think I'm super excited about that bag. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this aside and let's just take out the items one by one, I guess. Okay, so first up, can we talk about how pretty this box is? I mean, the boxes that the Archer & Olive notebooks come in are almost like, I almost like them as much as the notebooks because they're like really nice, high quality boxes. They're just heavy duty and they feel good and they're pretty. And I don't know, that makes me feel good when I get stuff in high quality boxes. I know that's silly, but okay, let's peek. Oh my gosh. Look at this color. This is so pretty. Allie's gonna love this. It's my daughter. She is like a purple queen. She loves purple. So this is a spiral travel notepad. Let's check it out. So it has this like gold coil. It's like a shiny gold coil. And this purple elastic. It feels so good. I wish my nails were purple for this video. Let's see. Okay, so it's like blank pages in this spiral notepad. I love the size of it. You can write this way or you can even turn it and do things this way. This paper feels so smooth. It's actually cold because I just brought this in from outside. It feels so smooth. Oh my gosh, I love their paper so much. So in the back, we have a little pocket where you can put all your little treasures from your travels, right? And of course we have the pen holder here. This is just beautiful. I am in love with it officially. Okay, I'm not going in any particular order, just so you know. But next we have 2 sticker packs with 2 sheets of stickers each. I peeked and the stickers are the same on both sheets. But so we've got this really cool theme, this like travel theme, this like vintagey journey theme, and I just think it's so adorable. Look at that little camera with the flowers. I mean, the detail in this is just beautiful. So there's gold foil on here. These are matte paper stickers. And then this pack, we have the days of the week, and we've got the numbers of the month. And down here it says adventure time, notes, packing list, to do, stuff like that. And it just is just really, I don't know, dreamy, I guess, just like a dreamy theme. I mean, look at those clouds that have the different colors in them. I just think it's gorgeous. All right, what is next? So next up we have some acrylograph pens, you guys. And everything in these boxes are like new products. That's the cool thing about it. It's like brand new. And the price point, like, I don't know, you just get so much for the price that it is worth it. So these are all new colors that we haven't seen before, and I am super excited about these because these ones, like the acrylograph pens, are like my fave. I've been really digging these, really loving drawing with these and writing with these, and these are colors I don't have, and now I do. So these are all 0.7 millimeter, and actually if I had to give you any advice on buying acrylograph pens, my advice to you would be to start with the 0.7 millimeter, because then you can get in small spaces and bigger ones. You know, you kind of need both if you're going to be using these pens, because both are so like helpful, but the bigger ones, you can't get into smaller details or like write small with them. And so, I don't know, I would just recommend going with the 0.7 to start. Anyway, these are some really cute colors. I wish they named their colors. I think I'm gonna start naming their colors. I think I'm gonna name all their colors myself and maybe do like a swatch video. I don't know, maybe by the time you see this, will have already done that, who knows. Okay, next up, we have stamps, you guys. I am so afraid to stamp. I did stamp in a couple of planner spreads. I am still afraid of it, but I'm gonna try these out because I wanna get better at it. And look, they have the days of the week. I'll just open this up for you and show you. So they have this cute grid here. They have the days of the week, like this adorable little hot air balloon, and these like leaves that are Archer and Olive, like completely, right? We have a little habit tracker there and some numbers, goals to do, notes, days of the week down here in cursive, like a little moon. I just love these stamps. They are adorable, and they come with other stuff. So if you're not a stamper and you don't have the stamping supplies, which I do have a few supplies myself, but I will show you what else it comes with for the stamps. So for the stamps, you definitely need a couple of stamp blocks. So these are acrylic stamp blocks. And basically what you do is you take this paper off, you know, and you're going to put the stamp right on here. And then you're going to use it to stamp with, because you can't really stamp. And I learned this the hard way the first time I was stamping with some Happy Planner stamps. I tried to just use these. You need a block. So we've got two of them. We've got a big one and we've got a small one. So that came with it, but also inks came with it too. And they picked really good colors. Bumble, not now. They picked some really nice colors, like this, like neutral, you know, but yet color and not just black. So it's like a smoky blue and like a, just like a light brown-ish color. So this is all, like everything came together with all you need to start stamping. So I think that's really great that they gave you all of that together. You guys, did you notice something about these boxes? They are huge. They're huge. Like, I was so surprised when I opened this box and saw these giant Archer and Olive boxes in here. Like, look at my hand, look at the box. This means that we have really big notebooks in here. And I think, well, I definitely know these are a different size than what they offer. So let's see what's in them. It's always so exciting, like lifting this paper. Listen, I'm gonna do it like ASMR. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. What? This is so cute. So we have an 8.5 by 11 lined notebook. It has a linen cover it's like this pretty dark red. I almost don't want to open it because it's just so perfect. But let's be real, I'm going to open it. I love the linen covers. I think they feel like, honestly, they just feel luxurious. Like, I feel like, just like sophisticated, and I don't know. I love the linen covers so much. Okay. Check it out, listen. Did you hear that? And also smell it. I love the smell of new notebooks. I can't get over it. They smell so good. So this one's lined. Oh my gosh, my high school heart. A big lined, like blank notebook full of possibility. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I know I'm gonna do something. And I just know that this is gonna be a favorite. Okay, wait, in the back, I think there's probably a pocket, and you can keep all of your secret stuff back here that no one will even know it's there. This would make a great journal. I journaled all the way through middle school and high school and into college, and I would have loved a notebook like this because my favorite journals were just the big blank, like, or the lined pages in like a big book like this. So I would have loved this. Let's see what's in the other box. Let's check it out. I peeked at the card and it is a dot grid, I think. Yes, it's a dot grid. It's an 8.5 by 11 dot grid. Let's see it in person. You ready for it? Oh my. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this cover, this is one of my favorite colors, by the way, this aqua. One of my very favorite colors. And it has this like gold foil ship on it to match like that journey theme. I feel like I'm like in an old-timey, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I just know that I like it. So it's like a soft cover. It's like a leatherette or something. Like I don't know how to describe it, but it feels good. Feels really good. The thing I love about Archer and Olive is, and I'm not trying to like make this an ad, although, you know, I am on the team, but I'm not kidding. Like, I don't recommend things on my channel that I don't love. And I love the paper because it's so white. Like, look at it with my nails. It's so white. And so it's like smooth. It's just whiter than a lot of the paper that you get in other notebooks. And I've always been a sucker for like really pure white paper. And this is what you get. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I need to keep it though, and I need to do something with it. Of course, you get the pocket in the back and the pen holder and all of that. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to show you the bookmarks. You know, there's those too. In every Archer and Olive notebook, you get like a double bookmark. You get one that has the really cute logo on it, and it's like gold and pretty. And then you get like a plain one, so you can use two of them. So that is that. And I think this is so, like, just such a great value. I mean, I'm going to put it all here so you can see them all together. I've got the two notebooks here. We have, oops, I'm dropping stuff. We have the stickers and the stamps. We have the new pens. And we have this wonderful little purple guy, which coordinates so well. Can we just talk about the color coordination here of all this? Like, yes, even if you look at the stickers, it's just so pretty all together, isn't it? Okay, so anyway, that's all for me. I know you've probably seen this already, but I just wanted you to see it from me and hear my opinion on it. And so again, all the information for the subscription boxes is going to be in the description. I believe this was $70. The value though is insane. And I'm going to put all that in the description too, because on the card, oh wait, I forgot the tote bag. Wait, the tote bag, that's my favorite part almost. I don't know, I can't decide what my favorite part is. But the card, where is that card? Now I lost it. Here it is. It shows you what things are worth. So we've got $32, $32, $30, $15, $17, $30, $22. So this, I didn't add this up, but this is a lot more value than $70, like a lot more. And I am so fortunate to have gotten it for free. So thank you again to Archer and Olive for providing me with this. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of it. I'm super stoked. All right, I guess that's it for me. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.